I get many jam pera home, money I get the away crawler to get Jim to live here, money the away crawler to get go.
Mei Yoi Ching is 19 years old and lives in a remote village. When she finished school, she was eager to continue studying. But her family was unable to afford to send her to high school, so she had to stay at home. A project funded by the IKEA Foundation gave her new hope.
Okay, now loud to be, sound to be. Ready, pretty. When it alone will favorite. Sound, day on sound. When you think a bit away, la hot, sound hot to line. The project, money project, on a gilly sound to the crowd. That were a gilly logo sound.
During the 6-month training project run by Save the Children and local partners, she learned how to sew, cut and print on fabric.
Also go the DJ Prado sound into again. Niga money mashiro crare, DJ Tate into project, money laro sounding. Again bon laro. Nia the shan the lama counter say I soon yoga sound la have it there into long lal had it so good brahman again. The book. Many a book circle the brahman, many a book sound.
4 years have passed since the course, and Mei Yoi Ching is a skilled tailor. She has her own business providing sewing services to local customers.
IKEA Foundation, money again go money sounding. Show you with a lot of money again go sounding. Money again go the away quarter go money mia de shan mia te. Jerka money, Brary, money, Tampide, and Gerugo, money, should be the lotte. They shall away crawl them. Money, zero, money, IKEA Foundation, got money, Tisha, project tote. Money, I get upoka, I get upoka lotte. I get Jate, I get money, I get a tepechi, who taught a galley. Money, you point you point.
Save the Children has been implementing projects in Bangladesh with funding from IKEA's Soft Toys for Education campaign since 2006. The projects have focused on marginalised groups of children, children of ethnic minorities, with disabilities and underprivileged children that are out of school. The projects have provided them with a possibility to learn in a child-friendly environment in a language they understand.